Recording.
Hi.
Wait, is it recording? It's recording.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi guys.
Hi.
Goosey.
Panda.
Alright, so we're gonna do a burping contest. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Yeah, let's see who wins. Oh, okay. I'm ready for you. Here you go.
Hey, she's so nice.
Okay. One, two,
Two,
three. We fucking sucked. Alright. I got nothing in there. I won. No. I don't know. Lala first.
Oh, wow.
What's your jam? Goosey jam. I'm not pregnant.
She's not. Neither am I.
That was a fucking thing. Well, until you ran out of soda.
Alright. I don't want panda germs either.
Panda germs are fucking bad. Fail!
Ew, I felt like if I was gonna throw up. Stupid Cheetos. My arm hurts.
Which one?
This one.
I got it.
Okay. She drinks and I burp.
Alright, I think I won. Or
Yeah, I think you won.
Yeah, I think I won.
Ew. No, I'm done.
Okay, so
yeah.
So it looks like I won.
I think Panda won. Or if we're not right, then you guys decide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just count how many burps we did.
Yeah.
I'll
Or
forget
something like
and
that.
throw up. Alright,
so yeah. Hope you guys like it.
Sorry we haven't been uploading for a while.
We've been busy.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Alright.
So see you later guys.
So yeah.
See ya.
You liked it.
Bye.